So welcome. This is a demonstration of the hazards module for the iTFE project.
You are entering the lunchroom where there are several hazards. Please point and use your trigger to select them. You can pause for discussion.
So the user enters the lunchroom scene and a voiceover prompt indicates that there are several hazards in the scene that the user needs to identify and resolve. So there is also a UI prompt up on the wall here which provides the same visual prompting. So the idea of the user is to sort of navigate around the scene and try to identify hazards and raise issues for discussion. So in this particular case, you can see here there's a fridge door open. So as the user hovers over it, there's an outline that appears. The user can click
The
on the
fridge door
hazard.
is open. What's the issue?
So that triggers a UI which provides a visual prompt as well as a voiceover which asks the user what the actual issue is. So at this point, the user can enter into a discussion with the trainer and talk about what the issue is and what should be done, etc., etc. So once that's satisfied, the user can click on the dismiss button, and that resolves that particular hazard. And so there are randomly 3 hazards generated in this scene at any one time. So we've completed one, so we need to find others. So there's a stack of plates dangerously placed on top of the fridge. So same process as before. You can see as the user hovers over that particular hazard, there's an outline that appears. So the user can just click on.
Something's on top of the fridge. Why is that a hazard?
Okay, so same as before. User clicks on the hazard, the prompt triggers, and then the user interacts with the prompt. So in this particular case, the hazard disappears, the plates are removed, I imagine, and put away. And so another one over here I've noticed is there's some boxes that are stacked up next to a fire extinguisher. So that's obviously a potential problem. So same as before, user clicks on the
Okay,
box.
there's a pile of boxes. Why is that an issue?
And they can, after a discussion,
Well
they can
done.
dismiss.
You have dealt with the lunchroom hazards. You can head back to the training hub now.
So this completes this particular module. As I said, there's 3 random hazards each scenario that the user has to interact with. The user can choose to exit at this stage, or if they'd like to, they could attempt some other hazards. So they can click on restart, for example.
You are entering the lunchroom where there are several hazards. Please point and use your trigger to select them. You can pause for discussion.
Okay, so this now randomly selects 3 new hazards. So if you remember before we had the fridge door open, now we've got to find some additional hazards. So, okay, so rubbish bin looks full, and I'm just going to run through this really quickly. So rubbish bin's full.
The bin is full. What's the hazard?
We need to empty the bin. That cupboard door's open, which is potentially dangerous.
The cupboard door is open. What's the issue?
Okay, close the door. And we need, so here we go. It's another stack of boxes, but this time they're in front of the doorway, which isn't good either. So click on those.
This doorway is blocked. Why is that a problem? Well done. You have dealt with the lunchroom hazards. You can head back to the training hub now.
Okay. So that completes it. Okay. Thank you very much.